Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of AUD USD in front of us right now. If you have watched my previous video, then let me tell you one thing, that yes, things have not changed much on the chart of your AUD USD, because you can clearly see that there is not much movement on the chart right now. If you go to Forex volatility calculator here, you'll find the Forex volatility calculator on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If you go to Forex volatility calculator here, then you can see that there is not much volatility present on the AUD USD chart. See, in the 15 minutes you can only expect a movement of 7.8 pips. In the 30 minutes, same. In the 1 hour you can only expect a movement of 12.1 pips, and in the 4 hours you can only expect a movement of 18 pips. So you can see that there is not much volatility in the AUD USD chart right now. So let's do the analysis first, and then we will be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? Okay. So if you look at the chart here, or if I ask you, my dear friend, what is the trend of the market, then you can clearly see that this market is in downtrend. There is no doubt that this market is in downtrend, which means that number of sellers are higher in comparison to the number of buyers. Previously, we could see that there was a trend line which was acting as a resistance for the market. Market was constantly forming higher or lower highs. Okay, so overall the market is in downtrend. But if I ask you to just focus on this particular portion of the chart, then do you still think that this market is in downtrend? Just focus on this particular portion of the chart. No, this market is not in downtrend right now. Overall, the trend of the market may be towards the downside. Yes, market is in downtrend, but right now this market is not in downtrend. Rather, we can see that market is sideways. Overall trend is down, but the present trend of the market, the current trend is sideways. Which means that buyers are present in the market, and as a result, at this particular point of time, the number of buyers are almost equal to the number of sellers. Okay, therefore we can go for a buying opportunities as well, because following the trend is the basic rule of the market, the thumb rule of the market, and which means that if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And in a sideways market, okay, we can take trades on both the sides, because there is no proper trend here, and right now you can see that okay, market is sideways, and most importantly, market is just standing at a support here. See, this level was acting as a support for the market. Okay, our market was taking it as a temporary support here, because after this low, okay, when market formed this first low, and again market respected this level, then this was the confirmation that yes, market was trying to form a temporary support here, and here this was the third touch, and again this is the fourth touch. So by this time we have the confirmation that yes, this is a support for the market. Previously it was a temporary support. Market was trying to take support on temporary basis, but right now market is respecting this level, and as you can see clearly on the chart, that market is not in a mood of going down. Okay, rather, after forming these red candles here, still market is trying to go up from here. And most importantly, if you look at the dollar index here, you can see that dollar is bullish. Okay, this is the chart of DXY US dollar, and you can clearly see that dollar is very bullish right now, but still odd is not in the mood of going down. Okay, it is trying to hold the support level. there is a possibility that, okay, if the same thing continues for a while, and if dollar starts going up from here again, then you can see that there is a resistance on the dollar chart here. And if dollar starts going down from here or reverses from here, then we may see some good buying on the AUD USD as well. Okay, but right now it may take some time. But looking at the present condition of the chart, one thing is very much certain, that AUD USD is not in the mood of going down. Buyers are present in the market. Buyers are sitting at this current price level, and they are not in the mood of going down that easily. As a result, they are trying their best, giving their best shot to hold the current price level. So I'll tell you that wait for some time, wait for a couple of hours, and just observe the price. Okay, I will not tell you to short the market here, because try to understand the market psychology here. Market is not in the mood, because see, previously see, whenever market came down to the support level, after one bounce market went up, after two three bounces or two three candles market went up. But here market has formed a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this is a 10th candle, 40. Each candle is of 4 hours, so total 40 hours. Market is standing in the support for the 40 hours, but still market is not ready to go down also, not up also. Dollar is getting stronger, so this is a kind of very confusing position, and that's why I'm telling you not to go for a buy here right now. Though market is standing at the support level, okay, still we do not have the clear picture whether market will be able to go up or not, because US dollar is quite strong right now. So if you're confused, let me say again, market is standing at support, and generally the thumb rule of the market says buy at support. Market bounces from the support level, but you can see the market is not bouncing. Market is standing in the support level for 40 hours. For 40 long hours, market is standing at the support level, which means that market does not have the strength. But market is also not in the mood of going down also, because you can see that whenever market was forming red candles here, okay, again market tried to recover. Therefore, this is an indication that there is a war, there is a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers right now. So I'll tell you that wait for the market, or if possible avoid AUD USD for a couple of hours, until and unless you get a clear indication. If market forms a green candle here, a sudden green candle, then you can think of buying. But right now we do not have a clear picture. Okay, the chart may seem simple, but we still do not have a clear picture right now. So my dear friends, no need to buy here. No need to buy here. Wait and watch and observe the market. That's it. Okay. So the chart is quite critical position. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.